Hi guys, this is Decolation, and today's a happy day. Just got some parts in from Texas Speed, so let's take a look at these. Been waiting for these for so long. So Eagle Performance connecting rods. Look at this. Got some H-beam connecting rods. Ooh, yeah, these look beautiful. These are forged connecting rods. Comes with the stickers and lid. Also got some rod bearings and some stickers. We know I love stickers, so really happy about this. Cool. That. Those will go with my forged pistons that I already have sitting upstairs. Now for the two boxes that look exactly the same. The astute among you will know that these are about the shape and size of some cylinder heads. And boom. Let's see if I can get these out. These are my cylinder heads that came off of the LQ4. I decided to go with having Texas Speed CNC port them and install the dual valve spring. These are gorgeous. And I got oversized valves on them. Man. And it has the PRC logo etched in where the 317 used to be. Ooh. These are truly a work of art. They definitely cleaned up that chamber nicely. And these are the larger, can't remember the exact size, but slightly oversized valves as well. But man. Daddy likes a lot. Let's see if I can see in there, see what that. Where is my light? Ah, there it is. Look at that. That is pretty. Man, the flow is gonna be insane on these heads. intake and exhaust. Man, they did a phenomenal job on the cleanup and porting, and that is a happy camper. That's all I can say. This is gorgeous. All right, guys, so that's just a quick update of some parts that came in. I'm very excited, so catch you guys later. Probably the next video will be either sneak peek of what's going on in the rear end, or maybe the delivery of the kit car if this coronavirus doesn't hamper that being done. All right, guys, take it easy. Catch you next video. Peace.